Welcome back to the Learning Hub. This is Chapter 6 of our Excel learning program. Hope you enjoyed Chapter 5, where we have covered marking and removing duplicate values. If you have not gone through the previous chapter, please find the link in the description below. Please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get a notification of new videos. In this chapter, we are going to learn about find and replace functions. You will experience some cases where you have a large amount of data, and you need to find the specific value in one sheet or in multiple sheets. So, we're going to cover the find function and we will also cover the replace function. How you can find and replace one value with another value. We have just taken a small set of data as an example, but in real life, you might have a large amount of data, and these functions will apply to that as well. If you go into the Home menu, and here you will find the icon called Find and select, and here is the first command called Find. It will open the Find and Replace window, or you can open the Find and Replace command by clicking on the search, and select the option under the Home menu. You can also open it with the shortcut which is Ctrl+F. The first command is Find and the second is Replace. So, we're going to cover the Find command first, then we will cover the Replace command. If you want to search for anything from column B, what you can do, you can just select column B, and go into the Find and Replace command under the Home menu. Click Find and enter any word you would like to search. For example, here we want to search the word alpha. Then click on Find Next. What it will do, is it will find the alpha word and it will give you the cell address like B2. If you want to find the next word, which is alpha, you can click on Find Next again, and it will find the next alpha word as well. If you don't select anything and try to find the alpha again, you can just find it here. It will give you the cell address. Click on Find Next to get the cell address, which is B5, and other than that, we have the alpha in B10 as well, and that's it. So, we have three words which are matching to alpha. If you want to find it in a particular set of cells, you can just select those cells and open the Find command, and click Next to find. So in this selection, there is only one word which is alpha. The next option is, here we just tried to find the value alpha only in one sheet. You might see the cases when you have multiple sheets, and you want to find any word in multiple sheets. So what you can do is, you don't need to select anything and you can go into the Find and Replace command. And if you click on this option, under the option, and here this option is so by default, it finds the words only in one sheet. And if you drop down and select the workbook, and now try finding a value, instead of clicking Next, what you can do is, you can just click Find All and it will give you the list of all the cells, wherever it found the word alpha. So when you click on this, this is within the same sheet, and when you click on this value which says Sheet 2, and click on this, see, because here we have another word alpha in Sheet 2, it has found all the alpha words from the entire workbook. And move it back to another sheet. So now we are trying to find second word, and if you select this and try finding the Bravo, and you can write in any style like a capital letter, small letter, or with camel case, and once you click on a Find Next to find the Bravo in B13, then you have the Bravo in B3, next is B20, and in B3 as well. So if you want to search the word Bravo in small letters, you can do so. Excel has that functionality as well. What you can do is you can click on the option, and here just select this checkbox called Match Case. If you try finding the word with a small letter and click on Find Next, click on the match case and select the entire work B. OK, and click on Find Next, so it will take you to sheet number 3. Because here in the sheet there is a Bravo only in small letters. So, this is the Find command. Now let's go to the Replace command. As the name explains, you can find any word and replace it with another word, or you can find any value and replace it with another value. So let's see here, we have some values and you would like to replace any number, or any symbol, or any name. For example, here you want to replace alpha with the beta. You can click on the same function under the Home menu, and click on Replace, and now what you can do is, click on this and click on Replace, and you want to replace alpha with beta. What you can do is, we can replace them one by one, or you can replace them all at once. If you click on Replace, it will replace the first word and then it will replace the second word. If you replace alpha with beta, and click on Replace All, so you can select whichever you want to replace, click this and click on Replace, and you want to replace alpha with beta and it will replace alpha with beta. See, it will replace alpha with beta one by one. If you click on Replace, it will replace one by one. But let's press Ctrl+Z to undo, and now I will replace everything. So, again, it depends on your selection. If you want to replace only within these values, or you need to replace all at once, you can go into the Find and Replace command. Click the Find What and replace with which word. If you click on Replace, it will replace one by one, but if you click on Replace All, it will replace all values in one go. And if you do not select anything and hit Replace All, it will replace all the values. Not only the symbol or the words, but it will also replace all the numbers as well. If you have a case where you need to replace all 123 with 456, you can select if you want to replace only the particular selection, or what you can do is, you don't select anything and open Replace Windows, enter the value you want to find, and enter the value you want to replace with. Here I am replacing all 123 with 888, click Replace All and you will see the result. Whenever you are replacing all values without selecting, you need to be mindful and ensure that you will not replace any value which you don't want to. And that's all we want to cover in this Find and Replace chapter. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video, which will cover text alignment and formatting. You will find the links in the description below for the previous and next chapters. If you have not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for new videos.